Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna give you guys our next home run hitter. This stock has already doubled and it got the potential to 4x in the near future. So make sure that you stick throughout the whole video because I'm gonna give you guys some news update, a complete market analysis over this stock, and then I'm also gonna tell you guys how I'm going to play this stock in the future for me to maximize my growth in this company that's gonna completely explode in the future. It already doubled, it's gonna soon 4x, and within the next couple of years, it's going to 10x times 10, and we're gonna make a lot of money from this play. So make sure that you stick through the end of this video and also hit the thumbs up on this video. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And with that being said, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. Who knows, by depositing $100, you could get 3 free shares of the stock that we're gonna talk about today that has the potential to tenfold in the near future. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Robinhood. My account is at $37,982. I'm almost at the $38,000 mark and on my way to $40,000. On the day, I'm up almost 2%, $728.40, and in the aftermarket hours, I'm up $104.46. So around $830-ish. That is an awesome day for me to be up 2% in a single day. That lets me know that something is going right inside of my portfolio. On the week, I'm up 6.7%, $2,391. And a lot of that has to do with the stocks that I'm picking that I believe that are gonna have a lot of growth in the future. And one of those stocks I pointed out a few weeks ago, and it actually doubled, and it's on its way to 4xing as long as we play it correctly. And that company is ChargePoint, which is going to merge with Switchback Energy, ticker symbol SBE. All right, so if you watched my last video, like I said, there are a lot of things in place for the American government to implement a lot more charging stations in the next decade. And one of the leading companies with electric vehicle charging station is Switchback Energy. Now, Biden says that he wants to implement over 500,000 new charging stations in North America within the next decade. With that news, a lot of people started running to electric vehicle charging companies, and the leading one was ChargePoint. They are going to merge with Switchback Energy, and ever since that news came out, this company has been running up because that is like investing into oil when the car industry was going. A lot of people made money from oil. Now it's our chance to make a lot of money from electric charging stations now that the EV electric vehicle market is booming. So here we are on Switchback Energy. On the week, they're up 86.17%. That is insane. I had 25 shares. I really wish I would have picked up more shares, but as you guys know, I'm growing this account slowly over time. I'm not one of those YouTubers that have a very large bank account just to throw into the stock market. I'm a pretty normal guy. So I picked up 25 shares at $18.48. My market value is $964.59. And so far, my total return is $501.49. I am up 108% since I told you guys about Switchback Energy. ChargePoint, the same thing. I'm up 100%. I doubled my money. So if you took that play, congratulations. Now we're on this way to this company 4xing, and soon it's going to tenfold within the next couple of years. So I see this company, as long as it's under $100 in the next 5 years, I'm going to continue to buy into SBE. ChargePoint. I'm going to continue to buy into this company as long as it's under $100 over the next couple of years, because I believe in the next 10 years, this company is going to tenfold all the way up to around $1,000, if not at least around $500, $300-ish dollars. So I'm getting in now while the getting is early. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to pull up some news, and then we're going to do a complete market analysis over SBE. Welcome back, YouTube. Here we are. Let's take a quick look at ChargePoint. Some of the partners that they are with is with BMW, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Nissan, and one of their most recent ones is Volkswagen. So they're partnering with these companies because all these companies know that with the electric vehicle boom, they're one of the main holdbacks from people buying electric vehicles is there not enough charging stations out there. So they're partnering with ChargePoint in order to get as many charging stations out there as possible and also have their cars compatible with charge stations. Now how charge stations work, that you can walk up to charge station with an app on your phone, tap it, charge your vehicle, and then at the end of the day, they'll bill you or it comes out your ChargePoint account. So it's quick, tap and go. You don't have to swipe your card or anything like that. You just set up the app once, you tap it and you go. Or some vehicles are gonna come with the app already inside the car. So you just pull up, charge it, pull it out and just go. So something as simple as that. Now ChargePoint already have around, let's see, 115,000 electric vehicle charge points. Now a lot of people want to charge their cars at their business, at their job, or at their home. They do. ChargePoint does all of this. You could set up one charge station at your house, or companies can set up charge stations at your job so you could charge your car while you're at work, and you can also charge your car while you're at home if you want one at your house or apartment or anything like that. Okay, so here we are on Switchback Energy. This is the 15-minute mark. So every bar on here represents the last 15 minutes. And as you guys can see, it just completely shot up. It trades, it goes up, trades sideways, and then it jumps. Trades sideways, then it jumps, trades sideways, and then it jumps. Now you guys can see that it's starting to pull back. It's not really trading sideways anymore. It's actually pulling back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull out the Fibonacci retracement. There we go. So here we go. We're gonna start at the bottom right there when it was trading sideways, and we're gonna go all the way back up to the top. Now that we pulled out the Fibonacci retracement, I believe that it's gonna stick to the golden ratio. It probably is, unless this company is really news driven. The more news that come out, the higher that it goes and the quicker that it goes up. But if no news comes out anytime within the next couple of days, I think it's going to stay true to the golden ratio. Now that it had a good run up, it's probably going to pull back to the golden zone right here inside the 50. So around the $32 to $30 price point. If it pulls back there, I'm gonna load up on SBE. I'm just gonna load up on it. And if it does pull back to the 618 to the $26, $25 price point, ooh-wee. Oh man, I'm gonna super load up on this company if it pulls all the way back to 26. But if it doesn't pull back and stays inside the 38 and trades sideways for a while, I'm going to wait for the news to come out. Some news is going to come out, and then that is when SBE is going to explode. Might take some little profit off the top, wait for it to pull back again to the golden ratio, and then capitalize and try to get eventually to 100 shares of SBE. So there we are, YouTube. That is the next home run stock. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. Trust me, SBE is doing really well. And also a couple other heavy hitters that I talked about in the other video. IIPR, killing it. Workhorse, they leaked the contract with the United States Post Office. That's killing it. And what was the last one I tell you guys about? What was it? And the last one that we're waiting on is LCA, Golden Nugget Online Gambling. That's doing pretty well, but it hasn't really exploded yet. It's doing pretty well. But yeah, so those 4 heavy hitters that I gave you in the video a little while ago, they're all doing awesome. And I believe all of them is going to continue to do awesome very soon because we got in early. We got in early. We found a company that had a great background, a great track record, and had great projections for the future. We got in early. It is still early on Switchback Energy. It's still early for ChargePoint. It's still early. Within the next couple of years, 5 to 10 years, this company is going to 10x. But it's all up in the air until we all see it happen. But we're all crossing our fingers and hoping that this company is going to do very, very successful in the near future. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any ChargePoint SBE in your portfolio. Did you take it when I told you to pick up some? If you did, let me know how much profit did you make down in the comment section. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.